So, welcome, L'Observatoire, also known as our housing and building crew in the New World. Thank you once again for accepting this mission. As you know, in preparation, we have shipped over a supply box, which you have in front of you, and it's huge, to prepare you on your quest. Now is a good time as any to open up the box, and when you do, please look for an envelope and read the instructions aloud for us.
LEGO lends itself to many perspectives, including 3D. These Lego-like building blocks bring versatility and endless combinations to create free-formed, rigid structures and original designs that are playful, flexible. Every space needs a voice. Let the language of LEGO do the talking.
Greetings, Observatoire. I am Kirsten McKenna, commander of LIGEO US, broadcasting to you from Mission Control in Houston, Texas.
Yeah, amazing. You have more of these than the light fixtures itself. Are these?
So 2 weeks, but remember, the world needs you, and thanks you.